Yo, break the monolith down, we going modular. Tiny little services not as popular. Each does one thing, keeps it real tight. Talking through APIs day and night. No more one app crashing the show. If alt is down, the shop still go. Code is decoupled, fast to deploy. Microservices, devs rejoice. You got user, product, payment too. Each with its job, each with the crew. Different languages, no stress bruh. Java here, Node there, micro is bruh. Skill just one, not the whole stack. That's efficiency, no looking back. Teams independent, shipping with pace. Microservices, the future's in place. Docker and Kubernetes running the scene. Deploying clusters, keep it clean. Logs and tracing observability. Handle that chaos with stability. Data isolated, no big joins. Each service owns its own coins. Loosely coupled, tightly scoped. Micro's the model that's widely hoped. So break it down, keep it light. Microservices, keep it right. From big tech giants to your code city. Build like this, keep apps pretty.